Eating healthy is important. It gives you energy. It helps you grow. When you choose nutritious foods, you are giving your body the best tools to function well. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine that needs the right fuel to run smoothly. Think of food as fuel for your body. Just like a car needs gasoline, your body needs the right nutrients to keep going. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are like premium fuel for your body. Good food makes you feel good. When you eat a balanced diet, you feel more energetic and ready to take on the day. You can enjoy your activities more and feel happier overall. When you eat healthy, you take care of yourself. You can focus better. You can play longer. Healthy eating helps your brain stay sharp and your body stay strong. It's like giving yourself a head start in everything you do. Eating healthy is like giving your body a high five. It's a way to celebrate and appreciate your body for all it does for you. Every healthy choice is a step towards a better you. It's not about being perfect. It's about making better choices. You don't have to give up all your favorite foods. Just try to include more nutritious options in your meals. It's about making better choices. Every healthy bite counts. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Start by adding more vegetables to your plate or choosing whole grains over refined ones. Are you ready to start your healthy eating adventure? It's a journey that can lead to a happier, healthier life. Let's make every meal an opportunity to nourish our bodies and minds. A balanced diet is like a puzzle. It has different pieces. You need protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Protein builds your muscles. Think chicken, beans, and eggs. Carbohydrates give you energy. Think fruits, vegetables, and brown rice. Fats are important too. Choose healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Vitamins and minerals keep your body working. They are in colorful fruits and vegetables. Start with small changes. Swap sugary drinks for water. Choose whole wheat bread instead of white bread. Plan your meals ahead of time. This helps you make healthy choices. Pack your lunch. That way you won't eat fast food. Pay attention to portion sizes. Use smaller plates. Eat slowly. Savor each bite. This helps you feel full. Section 4. Reap the rewards of a nourishing diet. A balanced and nourishing diet is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Eating healthy has many benefits. You'll have more energy to tackle your day, whether it's at work, school, or play. You can focus better in school, leading to improved academic performance and a greater ability to absorb new information. You'll sleep better at night, allowing your body to rest and recover, which is essential for overall well-being. You'll have stronger bones and teeth thanks to the essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D found in many healthy foods. You'll even have healthier skin and hair, as a diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports your body's natural beauty. Eating healthy can help you stay at a healthy weight, reducing the risk of obesity and related health issues. It can reduce your risk of getting sick, as a strong immune system is bolstered by the nutrients found in wholesome foods. Feeling good is the best reward. When you nourish your body, you nourish your mind and spirit, leading to a happier, more fulfilling life. Section 5. Delicious and healthy food choices. Breakfast is important. It sets the tone for the rest of your day, providing you with the energy and nutrients you need to stay focused and active. Start your day with whole grain cereal and fruit. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which helps keep you full longer, and fruits add a natural sweetness along with essential vitamins and antioxidants. Or try eggs with whole wheat toast. Eggs are a great source of protein, and whole wheat toast provides complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly throughout the morning. For lunch, have a salad with grilled chicken. Grilled chicken is lean and high in protein, while a variety of vegetables in your salad can provide a range of nutrients and keep your meal light yet satisfying. Or try a turkey sandwich on whole wheat bread. Turkey is another lean protein option, and whole wheat bread adds fiber and essential nutrients to your meal. Add some baby carrots and a piece of fruit. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is good for your eyes, and fruits provide natural sugars and vitamins to keep you energized. Dinner can be fun. Bake some chicken with sweet potatoes and broccoli. Sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamins A and C, and broccoli is packed with fiber and antioxidants. Or try salmon with brown rice and asparagus. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your heart, and brown rice provides whole grains, while asparagus adds a unique flavor and essential nutrients. Remember to include a variety of colors on your plate. Different colors often mean different nutrients, so a colorful plate ensures you're getting a balanced diet. Eating a rainbow of foods can make your meals more visually appealing and nutritionally diverse. Section 6. Embrace a healthier you. Start making healthy choices today. It's easier than you think. Small changes make a big difference. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry. Stop when you're full. Drink plenty of water. You are in control of your health. Choose foods that make you feel good. Enjoy the journey to a healthier you.